Hey guys, I'm not dead. I'm still alive. Just haven't been posting videos regularly like I used to. But it's about time I give you guys a little update on the house renovation project here. It might not look a whole lot different than the last time I showed it, but a lot of work has gone in to everything, and I'll walk you through that in just a minute. Special thanks to my grandfather for all the work he's done over here to help me out with the framing and wiring. We got this closet built here. That's a little closet for the bedroom. This is the bedroom. That's where the door is going to be. Closet. And then this is going to be the panel room, mechanical room here for the breaker box there, which is pretty much all wired up. And this week I'm having an electrician put in the main wire that goes to the meter outside, which all has to be upgraded because service is going to be upgraded from 100 amps to 200 amps. But you can see up here, leveling out the ceiling. The original beams up there are pretty crooked, or not level at all. They'll put these 2x4s up there to level it out and make it look a lot more level. And that was a lot of work to get that just right. I had to notch the 2x4s right there, go around that beam. And same with the hallway. And see the electric here, pretty much all set. All that tedious work takes time. Once the power is turned on, things are going to go a lot smoother. I won't have to pull the generator out for every little thing I do. It'll be very nice. And I can start hanging I gotta insulate it first, everything really well, because this is going to be electric baseboard heat. And then I can start hanging the sheetrock, and hopefully it'll go pretty smoothly. I might hire somebody to do the taping and all that stuff. We'll see if it's not an outrageous amount of money. If it's some crazy number, I'm just gonna try to do it myself. But I don't really like doing body work, Bondo and that kind of thing, so I'm probably not gonna like doing the taping and all that stuff. And working on houses is not really my thing, but I'm learning a lot, and starting to get interested in it a little more as I go along. Once I start seeing big improvements like the sheetrock, I'm probably going to get into it more. But much rather be working on a hot rod or something. See, it's locked right now. I gotta unlock it. Here's what the inside looks like. It's got these little sliders. Sliding bolt locks aren't really big enough for the job. I gotta put some bigger ones on, but it'll keep people out if somebody is dumb enough to try and break in. They open up real nice. Oh, that one started swinging pretty fast. I just don't want it to. It's the only problem. I don't want it to open real fast and hit the side of the garage. I'm probably gonna have to come up with some kind of stopper or something. But they work really good. I gotta paint them. But anyway, I got some electric work done in here as well. I got most of the outlets run, and that's where the sub panel is going to be, where the wires come down, go up over the door. And then I got 6 LED shop lights in here. Those are nice and bright. I want to put 2 more up here though, because this area is pretty important to light as well. So yeah, I just got a bunch of all my stuff kind of packed in one corner right now. Don't really know where I'm gonna put it, so I'm not gonna set anything up permanently until I get everything insulated and stuff in here. I'm gonna insulate it, and then I'm gonna put this sub panel or sub flooring on the walls. It's cheap and it'll work really good. Probably paint it in here too, maybe, and make it look nice. Alright guys, it's a couple days later. Show you some progress. Making some good progress now. All the little stuff or the more tedious stuff like wiring that doesn't really look like a lot is done. See, I got the sheetrock in, nice and tight fit all the way around, keeping the seams nice and tight. Looks pretty good to me. Then I got this wall all insulated. Decided to go with regular R13 sheet or insulation. I was gonna try the Rockwell stuff, but it's actually quite a bit more money if you're going by the square footage that it covers. I got it all at all the little areas, all stuffed all around the window. Any hole I got filled up, and I want to make this nice and tight because it's going to be electric baseboard heat. So I got it pretty good. And this wall, I got the nailers on down there, the little supports for the sheetrock all along that edge. I got the shims on where shims need to go. Wall's looking pretty straight. It's all ready for sheetrock. But that's all I'm going to do today. Sunday afternoon, and a couple towns over, there's a brand new Tractor Supply that just opened, so I want to go check that out before they close. So I'm going to call it a day, and hopefully you'll start seeing some good progress over here now. I'm liking it. So having the power turned on Thursday. There's the main line going into the breaker. And then, beautiful day out here. There's the new meter where it goes in. There's the grounding and all that stuff. I had somebody, an electrician, do this part because not something I want to mess around with, but that's a new box or new meter there. And the power company had to put some new cables across to the pole because upgraded the service to 200 amp. So yeah, it's looking good. I'm pretty excited. Now I'm starting to see some actual progress that looks like progress, so stay tuned, and hopefully you'll see another video soon of this place. Until next time guys, peace out.